there, and welcome to Reed Natural Supply. I'm Baylee, and this is my husband Erik. We're so excited to have you join us on our journey to a healthier and more natural lifestyle.
Hi everyone. Together we'll be sharing tips, recipes, and stories about how we transformed our family's eating habits and overall well-being.
Here at Reed Natural Supply, we're passionate about cooking clean, healthy meals that nourish our bodies and bring joy to our kitchen. From delicious dinners to snacks the kids love, we've got you covered.
And of course, we cannot forget about the sourdough. We'll dive into the art of sourdough bread making, sharing tips from our book, The Sourdough Guide, and showing you how to create your own beautiful loaves at home.
Our channel is all about embracing a natural lifestyle that is simple, sustainable, and enjoyable for the whole family. We will be sharing our favorite clean eating recipes, meal prep ideas, and some behind the scenes glimpses into our everyday life.
Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your journey towards healthier eating, we're here to inspire you and support you every step of the way.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a new video. We're so excited to share this journey with you.
Thanks for watching and welcome to the Reed Natural Supply family.
Let's cook up something amazing together.